was able to find 4 manufacturers that offer an O-scale F-3 or F-7 decorated for Baltimore and Ohio. Some of these are still available new, but I'll start off with a couple of used K-line F-7s from eBay. These are prices from March 2022. The paint and graphics are really well done, and the separate handrails are also a nice detail. I've seen used examples of these starting at $76 and they've gone unsold. That's a pretty good price for a powered F-7. I'm not very familiar with the reliability of a K-line locomotive, but these prices are not too out of my budget. I may have to keep my eyes open, and if I see one for $60-70, maybe I'll pick it up. This is a shell that was described as a reproduction, but it's stamped as Lionel 1956 towards the rear. It's a more modern shell. It's different from a post-war shell because of the vent openings and the horn setup on the roof. It ended up selling for close to $40, and I was tempted, but I actually resisted bidding on this one. I couldn't figure out what it was. Now we come to Lionel. I've seen these since I was a kid, but the shade of blue always seemed weird to me. The graphics bothered me too, since the painted stripes of the side never quite matched up to the striped decals at the front. Plus, they're not exactly cheap, especially for one in near mint condition. But I'll probably end up buying one at some point if the price is right. The more I look at these, the more I like it. Who am I kidding? If I can find one for $80 that's in halfway decent shape, I'll probably buy it. Oh, what if I could find a shell for about $30 and not pay too much for shipping? This is more my style, but the price is out of my league. MTH has been building quality trains since the 1980s. This boxed set is pretty spectacular. A powered F-3 and matching dummy A and B units, plus 5 freight cars is a pretty good deal for $700, especially in their Premier line. Williams had a similar idea to MTH, but their F-3 shells look more like the earlier Lionel product, but with much better paint and graphics. The Duke Holiday trains are the reason why I like the Baltimore and Ohio so much. I haven't seen them every Christmas, but they made a pretty lasting impression on me. My B&O F-7 collection consists of a custom painted freight diesel and a pair of passenger logos, all from Williams. I have an earlier video of how I repainted a Pennsylvania F-7 into this dark blue example, and I used decals from eBay for the lettering. I also have a matching B unit to go with these bad boys, but it's never been out of the box. They're over 20 years old, and they're still very strong and reliable. The painted graphics are well applied, and they still look like new. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.